Message for my mama. Mama, I did what had to be done. I guess they'll be looking for me now. I ain't got nothing left but his hat. I did what the Lord told me I had to do, Mama. I didn't have no choice. They ain't never gonna believe who he is and who he says he is until they see a miracle. I was doing God's work. Mama, they just... Oh, who the hell's calling me on my damn phone? It's vibrating, stupid phone. Hello? Yeah, Jimbo, I was talking to God. No, I don't need no directions anymore. I found my own way. Cliven's Ranch is just west of here. I followed where the sunrise was coming from, you know, just like an overland tracker. What do you mean I got the sunrises in the east? What? No, I ain't got the wrong information. Of course I know what he looks like. I'm not a complete moron. I got the damn picture off the Bundy Fest website. Dark-haired fella, skinny, kind of young. What do you mean old white guy? Fat with white hair? No, you're wrong. No, you're wrong, Jimbo. No, you got it wrong. Oh, God, I crucified the wrong rancher. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, I crucified the wrong rancher. Oh. Oh, God, why did you let this happen to me? Why, Lord? I was trying to do your work. I can't believe you let me have it. Oh, my God. What, Jimbo? Why are you screaming at me? I'm talking to God again. God, oh, go take him down. Go take him down. That's a great idea. I'll go take him down. It's only been what, 45 minutes? I mean, we're on the same side, right? We all got to stick together and fight tyranny. I can't believe it. That's a great idea. That's a fantastic. What? What do you want? Oh, stop talking and go take him down. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Hang on, random rancher guy. I'm coming to get you. Oh, I guess I'm gonna need this. Oh. And you, Cliven, don't you worry about a thing. I ain't forgot your mission. I'm gonna be right with you. And when Bundy Fest sees you coming down from heaven on them gospel wings surrounded by angels, oh, Bundy Fest, the Lord is going to smite you. The Lord is going to bring down upon thee with great anger and furious vengeance. What do you want, Jimbo? Oh, go take him down. Go take him down. That's a good idea. Just hang in there, random rancher fella. I'll be right with you. Hang in there. Bad choice of words, arguably.